Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add page numbers to all of the pages of your PDF file. For example, I have this particular sample PDF file ready on which we will be adding page numbers. As you can see that not any of these pages have a particular page number. So we will try to add page number to each of these pages of this file in a single go. So if you want to achieve this, the best method would be to use an online PDF editing software which will make this process very easy. So let's see how to do it. First, open any web browser of your choice. Then in the search bar type for I love PDF. Now you can see this particular site right here. The I love PDF is a free tool which allows you a variety of operations on PDF files. Click on this site right here. And once you've landed on this page, simply scroll down and you can see the page numbers button. Simply click on it and it will ask you to select the PDF file on which you want you to have the page numbers. Here you can see that this is the file right here. I will select it and let it upload. Now you have this page number modifications tab right here, in which you have a variety of different options, like if you want your page numbers to be single facing or multi pages. For example, like this, I will be using the single pages at it as it is the default and best way. Then it will ask you on which position you would like the PDF pages to have their numbers on. You can choose any position. For example, I will be going with say this position right here or this position. Then the other prompt is to give you the page's first number, or from which number does the numbering starts from. Let it remain to 1. Then the other option is which pages do you want to number from. Include all the pages you want to have a number. Then there is a text, insert only page numbers. This is the recommended type. There are other custom types as well if you want to add them. Then there is other tools like the text formatting of the font, the text size, or if you want to make the numbers a little bold, italic, underline, or you may also choose to have a different colors. Then once you are done setting up all of these settings, you can simply proceed and click on the add page numbers button. Once you click on it, it will process your PDF file. And after adding the page numbers, it will give you the downloaded format. Now here you can see that the file has been started to download. Let's just wait for this file to get downloaded into your system, and once it's downloaded you can open it, and here you can see that the page number has been successfully added to these files. Here you can see that this is the page number 2 and this is the page number 1 and this is the page number 3 right here. So we have successfully added the page numbers to our PDF file. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.